Hello farmers! There are many reasons for low yield in sugarcane cultivation, but sometimes it's not just one problem. Instead, two different problems combine and damage your crop. One such deadly combination is acidic soil and excess moisture. Let's see in this video how this affects your sugarcane crop. First of all, acidic soil or sour soil is a big enemy of your sugarcane crop. Here, essential nutrients like phosphorus and calcium become locked and unavailable to the plant. Toxic elements like aluminium and manganese increase, directly damaging the roots. The roots become stunted and struggle to absorb water and nutrients. Not only that, beneficial microbes responsible for soil fertility are inactive in acidic environment. On top of that, when water stagnates in the soil, the roots do not get the oxygen they need. Roots begin to suffocate and die. This leads to root rot diseases. Essential nutrients like nitrogen are either washed away in water or gets evaporated to the atmosphere as gases. Overall, this completely stunts sugarcane growth. Now, imagine what happens when these two problems occur together. Acidic soil weakens the roots, and if there's waterlogging on top of that, the roots are completely destroyed. No nutrients are available to roots and they can't breathe. Your sugarcane crop may be completely damaged and the yield will drastically decline. Sometimes you may not get any harvest at all. But don't worry, we have the solution to these problems, our Microbi Doctor Soil Bioinputs. They're the superheroes that regenerate your soil health. The millions of microbes in Dr. Soil go into the soil and begin their work. They help reduce soil acidity and bring the pH to the optimal level for sugarcane. They make nutrients like phosphorus, which were locked in acidic soil, available to the plant. They reduce the harmful effects of toxic elements like aluminium and manganese. When the plant receives proper nutrients, its ability to resist waterlogging damage increases and the roots recover. By using Microbi Doctor Soil, solve the problem of acidic soil and improve your sugarcane crop. When your soil is healthy, your sugarcane will withstand to all challenges and give you a bumper yield. Are you facing acidic soil and waterlogging problems in your sugarcane field? Get your soil tested immediately and use Microbi Doctor Soil. Protect your crop and reap excellent profits. Subscribe to our channel for more such videos, and for more information, contact us.